पूछना चाहूँ कि आप अपने तजुर्बे से या अपने एक्सपीरियंस से हमारे दूसरे जो पेशेंट आपके एज ग्रुप में वो कैसे इंडिपेंडेंट रहें, कैसे ध्यान रखें? मुझे
one thing which I would like to say, that when something starts physically, you are not able to understand it. Sometimes your children pick it up earlier.
बिल्कुल ठीक है.
And they do say to you that this is the problem, you should do it, you should take care of it, go and consult a doctor. Listen to them.
So that means the elderly should also listen to the children.
Of course, they have to listen to the children.
Okay, that's some. I understand that part.
This hearing aid thing only I did because my daughter-in-law forced me to do it.
And you followed, but you managed and you continued.
She told me, she was saying for a long time, for about 6 months, Mama, you are not hearing properly, Mummy, and you must go for the hearing aid. I said, no, this. I said, no problem. Then she gave me the number. Her grandfather had a problem. And in the beginning, he did not listen it. And then 5 years or 10 years passed away. And then when he felt that he's totally deaf, he couldn't use hearing aid. So he had to live without hearing aid, and he died quite old age, old age. But he has to survive without hearing aid for that time. And then when she told me this story, then I felt it. I'm not a person who will stay at home. My all 3 children are abroad.
So you feel by taking care of your health issues, you have made yourself independent to live.
And I wanted to travel a lot, to meet the children, to see the world, to meet people. So then you have to be capable of answering them, listening them, understanding them, telling your thing to them. So as you use specs, you use hearing aid.
Thank you.